All right. I made up our hard line. Ooh, yeah. Done deal, baby. All right, I'm gonna prime the fuel system. We're gonna fire this baby up. Check for leaks. And then I really want to test that alternator output. Make sure that it's not frying the battery, which it looks like it was, like we discussed in the first video. So, to do that, I'm going to give him a carb rebuild. Alright, we're up and running. The oil a little wet here. So I did, of course, tighten it down a little more. Move everything. No leaks. All done. Correct. Nothing leaking here either. That's good. Still pulling some yuck off of it. Really good. I'm going to check this output. We're idling at 14.7. That? 14.7 at idle. That's voltage regulator more than likely. That's a little high. Yeah. You want to give me a little RPM? Yeah. 14.8. Yeah. Holy shit. So it went up to 15. And then it wigged out, and now it's 10.7 and discharging. Rev it again. Up to 11.2. Do it again. Go up and hold it. Pretty much steady. That's voltage regulator. That explains why this thing's boiling acid out of it. Yep. Okay. Aaron, you're gonna need a voltage regulator. That's quick and easy. And we'll check the alternator too while we're at it. Yeah. So we'll check it at the alternator as well. There you go. You wanna do it right now?
All is well.
There you go. Ground it to something, and away we go. Don't get a really fan, because that's not very fun. Go ahead and ground it. $14.7 at idle, which is a little high. You want like 14.1 at idle max. Usually like 13.8 at idle, and then max 14.2. So it's definitely overcharging. Fun. All right, so we'll get your voltage regulator. We might later on we'll pull that, but it won't be because definitely voltage regulator.